Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So once more people to see your item, sharing your marketplace listing can dramatically increase views and speed up your sales. So in this guide I will show you step by step how to share a Facebook marketplace listing in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So important reality check: if you can share active listings anytime, works on iPhone, Android, and desktop. Sharing increases visibility and completely free. Okay, so sharing allows you to reach friends and followers, post in buy and sell groups, send directly to interested buyers, increase traffic beyond marketplace. So more visibility equals higher selling chances. Okay, so first thing first, I want you to open the Facebook application, tap the marketplace icon here in the button. On desktop, click marketplace from the left sidebar. So now go to your listings. Okay, so tap your profile icon here. Okay, tap your listings. Tap the item you want to share. Okay, so make sure the listing is active. So I'm not having anyone active here to share it. Okay, but we will try. So now tap the share icon here. Okay, choose how you want to share it. So options may include share to feed, share to a group, send in messenger, copy link. So choose the method that fits your audience and write a short message. Highlight key selling points, mention price, add urgency. Okay, tag location, and clear captions attract serious buyers. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.